So what we're going to do now is just do a anti-aging moisturising routine. So always begin prepping the skin with our Papaya Enzymatic Extract. Goes into the skin, and you always press your products into the skin. You let the skin absorb what it needs. And where the skin absorbs this the quickest, that will show us it's the driest areas. This product will track to dry cells. It's suitable for all skin types. Really press it into the skin and allow it to dry before you're going to add your moisture. Hold the eye area open so you're actually putting it into this area where you've got the lines. Okay, so you can see the product's absorbed in. If it goes in very quickly into the skin, always suggest to give it another layer and let it take it in. When you're using your products, more is not better. You just allow the skin to absorb and then give it more if it needs it. So we're working on the eye and lip area. These are areas that need their own specialty moisturising products. So working from the inside to out, always nice and firm, and right out to the very edge of any lines. Under here, you'll wear your full makeup over this, and morning and night is your best method. If you have a tendency to be puffy, this nice firm lymphatic movement really keeps the eye area nice and firm. And then the mouth is another area. Over the lips, top of the mouth, very fine skin, no natural oil flow. This just needs to go in the one direction. So it doesn't matter if you go this direction or that direction, but you're working with the big muscle around there, so you're looking to have a nice firm movement